Lenovo ThinkPad X220 42872 12.5-inch notebook computer. Review deal discount unboxing setup. Great keyboard, lightweight, very comfortable. Very fast laptop. What I like about ThinkPad is they are so silent, you barely realize it is on. Some laptops have a loud whirling noise, but the fan on this ThinkPad is barely audible. This is a business class laptop, so it is built like a tank with excellent quality components. The downside is that business class laptops do not pay much attention to audio. The sound is functional and adequate, but this is not really made for audio fans. That is easily remedied but using headphones or an external speaker system. The battery life is great. This is an awesome machine which is well designed. I like this better than my HP ProBook business class laptop whose fan can get noisy at times. Everyone has different needs and likes, but I love this ThinkPad X220. I highly recommend it. Came like new. Hardly any wear at all, except for rubber boot mentioned below, almost like I went back to 2011 and unwrapped it new from the factory. There are some minor scuffs on the bottom, but none on the top or sides. Display seems unscathed. Everything works as far as I can tell. The keyboard and touchpad both seemed unused. The battery came at 88% capacity. I can probably get 5+ hours with passive use, using Linux with TLP. Power cable seems new. Mine came with 4 GB RAM, i5 2520M, 320 GB HDD. Fingerprint scanner, I have not tried to use it. Webcam, I have not tried to use it. Battery has a missing rubber boot. Very minor flaw. BIOS is from 2011, which apparently is a version that has trouble reading newer USB sticks, so I had to find an older USB that I could boot an OS installer from. Would have been nice for the refurbisher to update the BIOS. Funny it came with OpenOffice, as LibreOffice superseded it years ago. Doesn't matter to me, since I'm not using the OS that came with it anyway. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.